Make sure you get a recommendation from your realtor. Most home inspectors out there are standard practice approved with the code of ethics, but there is a lot that are not. Take a recommendation from your realtor and they'll be able to guide you with the proper person that you should hire. The second thing is your home inspector's there to look at the home and the functionality of the home. They're not there for cosmetic items. They are going to walk you through the home and tell you what's wrong with it. And that is what's going to determine whether or not you buy it when you negotiate with the seller. Make sure that the home inspector has reports that they send you via email with photos of what they've written up so you don't forget anything. That way when you're able to show the seller exactly what's wrong, not just words, and people are guessing where the problem is. There's a full photo that goes along with that. Your home inspector should be able to provide you with all that right after the home inspection. Questions that you should do while you're at the home inspection. You should be there for your home inspection. Follow around the inspector. Find out what is wrong with the home and ask questions if you don't understand what he's trying to tell you. You don't want to go back to the seller with nitpicking items. You're looking for your health and safety, the components of the home. Does your furnace work? Does your AC work? Is the roof leaking? Is your hot water tank okay? Wiring, plumbing parts. But if you have a rocking toilet, it's 2 bolts. Those are things that can cause damage to the home. But if you have bigger items to worry about, those are the things that you should be worrying about and talking to your home inspector on what is really important and what is going to be a health and safety issue of your potential new home. Lastly, the home inspectors can't see behind the walls. They can't see underneath the concrete. They're there to do a visual inspection of the components of the home. You need to make sure you don't think that the home inspector has x-ray vision and they should have known that behind the wall 25 years ago somebody decided to put anchors and somebody decided to cover over them. These are things that home inspectors can't find. The home inspector is there, again, just for your health and safety and the components of your home. Please talk to your realtor about hiring the right home inspector. That's it for my topic today. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions about the topic today, please call or email me. Thank you.